Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and log out of your YouTube account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first of all, go ahead, access your YouTube account on your mobile phone. Once you have access to your YouTube account, this is basically going to look like in this homepage of your YouTube. Afterwards, if you would like to log out of it, simply go ahead, tap on your profile icon on top right corner. Now this will show this kind of interface, including all of the settings menu that will be given by YouTube itself for you to upgrade and update your profile. Afterwards, you're going to go ahead, tap on your profile icon on top, and afterwards simply tap on this option called manage account. Now this will show us the account that we are created with the Google account of ours that is giving the service of YouTube. Go ahead, tap on the account that you want to remove, and tap on this remove account, and our account will be removed, aka will be get signed out of our YouTube account right there easily like that. So this will be it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.